Adding options in the application. In this video, we will learn how to add new options in the application. Before that, let's explore the available options when starting a process. In the menu, click on Processes. In the header, the process stages and the number of buckets in each stage are displayed. Since we haven't started any processes yet, there are no values in the stages, except for free, as the created buckets are available to start a new process. We can move the buckets between stages manually, but the best way to do this is through the Android application, which allows you to scan the QR codes and move the buckets to the next phase. Adding a new pasteurizing additive. In the menu, click on Settings, and then on the Pasteurizing Additives. Click on the Add Pasteurizing Additive button, and enter a new pasteurizing additive. Click on Save Additive to save the new option. Verifying the new option in the process. Go back to the Processes menu and start a new process with one of the buckets. When you click on Pasteurizing Additive, you will see the new option you just added. Other available options. In the Settings menu, you can add other options following the same process.